Here's some proof that a couple things. You don't know what you know until you know it. Leave no room for doubt, and there's always a message. Trust the pendulum. I've talked about the pendulum before. I'm going to tell you how it went down with me a couple weeks ago. I was at a store, used my credit card, went to the post office, did not use my credit card, and went home. When I got home, I could not find my credit card. It was not in my jacket. It was not in my pants pocket. It was seemingly gone. However, I relaxed around that. I knew I didn't lose it. I knew I misplaced it. So I put a hold on it, and then later that night before I went out, I went back to the store and went back to the post office. They had not found my credit card. And then when I went home, I said, I got to ask the pendulum. So I take my pendulum out and I said, hey, pendulum, can I ask about my credit card? And they said, yes. And then I asked, is my credit card in my car? And pendulum said, no. And then I asked, is my credit card in my apartment? And the pendulum said, yes. Now my apartment's only about 2 rooms and there's no way it's in there. So I asked, is my credit card in my jacket? And the pendulum said yes. And I said, in my jacket? It was a bubble jacket, really thin. I grabbed it all over earlier in the day, but I went back to my jacket. Sure enough, it was stuck in the lining. It wasn't in a pocket. It had fallen through a hole. So I found my credit card. So I didn't know anything until I knew it, but I didn't overreact. I didn't say, now I'm gonna have to do all this with my credit card. I just said, I wouldn't like to have to do all that. And I just said, all right, I'll just hold it up. I won't overreact. And I didn't overreact. The message there. Second message was, look, ask the pendulum. You've done it before and it's always been true to form. So ask it. And I did. And that worked. Tell me, what are your stories with the pendulum? And do you use it all the time? Because it's really just an extension of who you are, an extension of you and the universe, which is you, the universe, and you inverse. Have a great day.